update to my rebuild on my KZ1000 rear master cylinder. I bought a rebuild kit from Z1 Parts, and that kit leaked. I called them up and told them as much, and they sent me some new seals. I put them in. They were exactly the same as the first seals, and they also leaked. At that point, I was getting frustrated. I thought I was going to have to look into getting an aftermarket universal rear master cylinder, but I really wanted to keep the stock equipment. Man, I spent time cleaning it up and powder coating it and got it looking really sharp, so I wanted to keep it working if I could. I found a place in the United Kingdom that had a kit, and it was a little expensive. At Z1 Parts, it cost $60. The one from a company called Cybikes, CYBIKS, it was like $110 or $15, but it was listed as genuine Kawasaki parts. That corrected my problem. I've ridden the bike around, I've operated the brake, no leaks, it's good. That brake is working. I have no puddles under this bike anymore. And if anybody is dealing with similar problem, I recommend either you buy the kit from them, and it's going to come with the piston, the rubber seal that's on that piston. It'll come with the cup seal, the spring, the washer, and the clip that holds everything into the bore of the rear master cylinder. However, as a cheaper alternative, once those parts arrived, they all were packaged individually with the part numbers listed on them. So I didn't know this at the time, but I could have bought them all individually. I could have only bought the cup seal and the rubber seal for the piston and probably got both of those. I think they came out to $35 or $40. So if anybody's interested and they're having similar problems with a rear master cylinder and it just isn't setting up, those are the part numbers. Good luck.